Hello my friends, today is a really special occasion for me because this channel have just achieved 1000 subscribers. That's it. Guys, I'm really happy and thankful for every one of you that have subscribed to this channel, that have really helped me out, that have given me ideas for videos to do. And that you are here, guys, it's amazing. I can't believe that after almost 2 years of making videos on this platform, so many of you want to follow me, and I really appreciate every one of you. Thanks for all your beautiful comments. Thanks for all of your support. And I'm sorry guys that sometimes I cannot post so often as I wish I could do. But of course, this is only a hobby for me. It's not my main job. I have a work, I have a family, I have a 3-year-old, and I make these videos for you guys to enjoy, and I really can make it when I can. But I'm really happy about this milestone that the channel have achieved. And nothing else. Thanks for watching, my friends. It's really amazing that you guys are here. Thank every one of you, really. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for being here, and I hope soon to bring you guys even more content that you enjoy. If you have any suggestions for the channel, please guys, just leave it in the comments down below. Anything that you want to see, just let me know. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. See you in the next time.